to my channel. If you are a family, I am so glad to have you here again. If you are new to the family, then welcome. So y'all, today we are going to make a beautiful glam candle holder. I was inspired by a candle holder that I saw in a group, a Facebook group, but this candle holder came from Burlington. So I went to Burlington and I did not see this candle holder. So I said, why don't I try to recreate the candle holder? So what we're going to use is these pieces. These are some clear pieces, discs that I got from Amazon, they're owned. And also these little mirror pieces that I got from Walmart. We're going to use these really beautiful gems that I got from Amazon as well. We're going to use 4 tops of the boxes. These boxes I found at Dollar Tree. So we're going to only use the top, but we're going to use the bottom in another DIY. We're also going to use some of our beautiful shimmery diamond ribbon. And we're also going to use some of our iridescent beads, diamonds from Amazon. Okay, we're also going to use these little candles from Dollar Tree. We're going to use our all-purpose clear glue I got from Walmart, a brush, and we are going to use our hot glue gun glue sticks, and we're also going to use these mirrored subway tile from dotflart.com. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our candle holders, because we're going to make 3 of these candle holders. And we're just going to put some of our glue on these candle holders. These candles, I'm sorry. Y'all, I have really been feeling under the weather lately, so that's why I haven't been doing any videos. And let me just tell y'all, diabetes is very, very, very dangerous. I have diabetes, and I had a bad, well, I'm gonna put it like this, terrible situation that occurred for me to find out that I have diabetes. So let me just tell y'all, especially us women, I'm 49 years old, and I know that's probably, y'all probably don't want to know all of that, but I'm 49 years old, so it's like I really need to take care of myself, and I am trying to do that, do better. So if y'all are pre-diabetic or anything like that, y'all take care of yourself. Y'all, we need each other to be here, so I'm definitely going to be here to see my grandkids grow, and I want to play with them. So I'm going into this thing where I'm going to try my best to get healthy. So I'm going to be talking to y'all sometimes, so I need that encouragement, so I can do better. So getting back to what y'all came here for. This is the diamond confetti that I'm putting on top of here. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of like maybe a little bit of glitter just to cover everything. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry and start on the other part of it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make our lotus flower. Just so you know, I have really no direction on how I'm going to place this. So if you all know how to place it better, then then so be it. But I'm just going to put the gems on there as I see fit, and then come back and do it all the way around. Okay, let's go ahead and work on our base. We're going to use these 4 tops again and these 2 mirrored pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and glue these together. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our beautiful lotus candle holder turned out. It's a beautiful iridescent. I love that. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all be blessed.